Hello and welcome to Theme Park Family, this time for another video, and that's right, we are back in Ride Sims with this new exclusive, should we say, GeForce. It has landed. If you are a Patreon, or I think you also have, I think you're VIP as well, I think you've got to be, that which pretty much you need to donate some money, I don't know, $5 or $10 a month, and you get exclusive content with the company as well. This is what I've got at the moment. It's GeForce, although I did generally thought it was GeForce from Drayton Manor. Never heard of this. It's in HolidayPark, so I think that's in Germany anyway. Okay, let's begin. First things first. Okay, we got here open gate, close gate, dispatch, e-stop, restraints check, unlock, fast lane is L, e-stop is S. Right, that sounds quite straightforward. First things first. Oh look, this is great as well. This is new. I like this. It tells you what you should do. I wish I had this in Valhalla, because by God, that was difficult. And speaking of Valhalla, make sure you do check out the video where I make an absolute tool of myself trying to operate that ride. Okay, so first things first. So we need to stick it. Oh no, we need to pirate on first now. And there we go. And then press R to reset. We're good to go. Okay, here we go. Click here to select the system mode. You can only load guests when in normal mode. You can only turn on the blocks when it is in maintenance mode. Right, okay. So here we go. So click the blocks, buttons to view, ride blocks, control. Okay, what's going on here? What? Get off. Oh, hey, okay. Sorry about this, guys. It's literally just jumped on here. It says, welcome to official big ride, blah, 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 for GeForce and need to ride. Keyboard instructions to learn more. I've just literally done that. So here we go, block sections. So we got the brake run, hold station, left hill, and I think that is everything. So if I come out of that, there we go back to the normal mode to board peeps. Okay, why is this flashing? Are we good to go? Oh, let's check out the views. There we go. We have different views. They listen. We wanted a station view, and we have a station view. Fantastic. I'm so glad that you have done this. You've put a different angle in. Brilliant. Here it goes. So this must be the left hill. It's going up, and then it drops, and off it goes. Has this actually got any loops and stuff in it? I need to really look it up. This seems quite easy. Right, so if I click Q tap, is it already open? Right, so if I do that, can I not go? Where's my people coming from? I wonder if they come through. Oh, who's this? We've got people walking extremely quickly here. So if I go to my view, they should start to appear here. Yes, here we go. We have one. We have two people. Right, I just need it. Do you know what? Am I going to need another train here? Let's try the first train, and then if we feel like, yeah, we've got this with ease, it can't be as complicated as Valhalla. Right, okay, we've got 4 people coming up. Right, let's get this different view angle, shall we? Oh, look at that. How good is that? That didn't sound good. Right, so I'm assuming up for harness. So I'm pressing up, and then air gates. There we go. In your pot. There we go. Close. You just got in there just in time. Close the air gates, and then push down to check the restraints. Belt check. Why are they walking like that? Mate, you got all the animation right, and then you just got this some weird Michael Jackson stuff. Look how quick he's going, man. Slippery shoes. It's the shoes. Right. Okay. So we're good, aren't we? Spacebar. Close ready. What? I'm pressing. Do I have to press it again? So let me get this. So they check for the seatbelt, and then they check again for the harness. Really? That can't be right. Anyway, let's send this bad boy going. Go, go, go. Okay, here we go. I don't know where he's off. He's skidding along. Whee! Wow, man. I tell you what, though. This queue's starting to get a bit big, actually. Oh, we're going to need another train, do you reckon? Doesn't really look that big. I've only got 5 in the main queue line. Shall I stick one on? Yeah, go on, Danny. Add a train. How do I... Is it... Oh, it's in. We're good. Here it comes. It's in. Is the transfer track going to move? Happy days. Right, I'm lift the harness up and then open the air gates. There we go. Oh, we should have a full train now. What's going on here? Lift the harness. Oh, idiot Danny. Go to normal. Lift the harnesses up. Open the air gates. There we go. We have a full. Let's get some express passes in here as well. There we go. You jumping in, guys? There we go. Close it. Oh, what's going on here? Gate open. Do I have to lift the harnesses up again? Do I have to lift it down? Oh, gate load. What? Do I need to call a mechanic? No. What's going on here? I don't know what was going on there. Straight away, stressing already. Right, here we go. Dun 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 dun. Let's just waste about 10 more minutes of just checking it twice or 3 times. There we go. Good to go, good to go. And you ready? Oh no, that's only the once, isn't it? They've got to do it another time. Oh, for God's sake. What? What did he say? Right, there we go. We're good to go. We're filling this up now. We're 8 in the main queue line and we have 1 express. And then we're good to go, are we? Send it, send it, send it. Where's the other train? Alright, we're stacking. That's not good. Right, let's try and do this one without stacking, shall we? Right, here it comes. It's coming in. So, come on, hurry up. Do you know what? I'm not putting that one particular express pass on me. It's ridiculous. There was a few of them I would do. Right, so harness is up. As I say that, there's another one too. What just appeared? There we go. So let's let you guys on. Do you really have to go one at a time? There we go. Close the air gates. Let's do the ridiculous checking it 17 times. And then do it. Oh, we're going to do it without stacking. Are we actually going to do it? Oh, right. It's just it's mid course at the moment. Here we go. Let's checking it. Let's send it. Let's send it. Let's go, 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 go. Is it the block section? It has. There we go. Off it goes. Without stacking. This is really good for beginners. It's quite simple. I can't even see the second train. The second train's not even come in yet. There it comes. There it is. Happy days. So I'm going to do probably 1 or 2 more trains and I'm going to give you my verdict of the game itself. I can't remember if this was a full train or not. I think it was. I don't understand why it says main queue 4 while there's loads. Oh, I suppose it's not actually talking about the ones in the bays. They're talking about the ones actually in the queue line, Danny, you idiot. So let's open these air gates. There we go. And then I'm going to put these 4 at the back. It should let me do that. Close the air gates, please. So if I press L, L, L. Any more? Fast passes? No? Okay, let's check the belt check. I'll tell you what though, I am going to go on YouTube after this or Google or whatever and try and look for this ride. Right, we're good to go. Good to go. Good to go. Right, harnesses are down. We're checking that. Oh, we didn't do that quick enough. I was waiting for the express passes, that's why. There we go. Go, 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 go. Oh, he's running. I say running. His leg's not even moving. Good to go. And there we go. What more can you want? As it comes in, I think no, there's not another train, so there's only 2 trains. That's alright though, isn't it? Come on, open up, open up, open up, open up, open up, open up. There we go. Let's send these guys through. And I'm going to leave it there. I'm going to send this last train, close the air gates. I'm going to press L to let these guys checking the belts. I'm so glad that you've done a different view. Oh, I'm so happy, really am. There we go, harnesses are coming down. And then give us the green light. Good to go. There you go, guys. Thank you so much for watching. This is really good if you are a beginner. It's very simple, it's very basic, and I love the fact of it. It tells you now where you need to click on and stuff to help beginners or even help me, because I'm useless at this game. But guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget you can also check us on our social medias on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. And if you are new to this channel, make sure you do subscribe and hit that bell icon. Every time we upload a new video, you will be notified. Also, don't forget to check out our other videos where I built an incredible roller coaster made out of Lego, which took us a long time. It really did. And also we've got a Disney Castle one coming up soon, and also a Ferris wheel. So guys, thank you once again for watching. Take care and stay safe. Wash your hands. Bye bye.